The Toyota Corolla has made quite a name for itself among compact vehicles of the world, and now the Corolla is all set and ready to make a mark in the compact crossover world too. The all-new 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross joins the Toyota Corolla family as a compact crossover with style and pricing that budget-conscious drivers will love. But is the 2022 Corolla Cross worth the hype, or should crossover fans look to invest in other upcoming crossovers in 2022? To find out, keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We compile the latest tech and automobile news. Our videos are guaranteed to keep you coming back for more exciting content. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you are always up to date with our latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. In this video, we will be talking about how the all-new 2022 Corolla Cross compares to its competitors. So clearly you don't want to miss out on this one. And so without further ado, let's start with today's video. For more than 5 decades, the Corolla has been synonymous with dependability, fuel efficiency, safety and value, and now today Toyota is evolving the series even further. The ever-popular Corolla sedan, the all-new 2022 Corolla Cross, is the bold compact crossover you didn't know you needed until now. Toyota is calling its latest crossover the Corolla Cross, and this tells us what the Japanese automaker is trying to achieve. The new crossover version targets to please the average purchaser with the same combination of practicality, reliability, and efficiency found in the Toyota Corolla. And when considering the current sales of anything with a raised ride height and plastic body cladding, it's only logical for Toyota to extend the Corolla lineup to include a small SUV variant. Now you may be wondering whether Toyota needed yet another crossover. Well, Toyota believes there is space for the Corolla Cross between the smaller and funkier CHR and the more extensive and top-selling Toyota RAV4. And to find buyers, the Corolla Cross offers things the CHR lacks: an inoffensive design, decent cargo space, and optional all-wheel drive. From what it looks like, the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross is an upgrade on the 2021 Toyota CHR. While the 2021 Toyota CHR comes with only the front-wheel drivetrain system, the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross will be available in front-wheel drive in FWD and AWD versions. Believe it or not, that will improve the Cross convenience ratings by a lot. The Corolla Cross has the typical SUV appearance. The base L model starts at $23,410 and has wheel covers, manual climate control, physical key, and non-tinted windows. Then stepping up to the LE costs $25,760 and XLE $27,540 trim with a little more style with alloy wheels and chrome trim. The XLE test car includes features such as a dual-zone automatic climate control, powered driver's seat, and blind spot monitoring. It is also worth noting that this is about what buyers will pay for a roomy-equipped Toyota RAV4 with a lot more space inside. All trim levels are available in AWD and FWD. The AWD models will come with a dynamic torque control, so 50% of the available power can be sent to the rear axle once the front loses traction. It's a basic system, but perfectly fine given Toyota's audience. The new Cross can be ordered with several accessories aimed at adventurous types. Moreover, the 196 horsepower 2-liter inline-4 paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission is not much fun, although a more powerful hybrid version is coming soon. That is good as the non-hybrid Corolla Cross doesn't achieve outstanding fuel economy ratings. The EPA estimates the front-wheel drive performance at 32 miles per gallon combined, which trails the Corolla hatchback by 3 mpg. Also in the base Cross equipped with all-wheel drive and 17-inch wheels, testers only achieved 30 miles per gallon on a real-world 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test. The EPA highway estimate is 32 miles per gallon. The engine of the Corolla Cross is buzzy in the upper rev range, and merging into highway requires a degree of patience. It takes a lengthy 9.2 seconds to get at 60 miles an hour and 17 seconds to reach a quarter mile, slow even by the low standards of this class. Buyers wanting more power will find it in the much quicker but pricier turbocharged versions of the Kona, Kia Seltos, and CX-30. Aside from these more expensive SUVs, the Toyota 2022 Corolla Cross's $23,410 base price places it in a segment that is not as cutthroat as the next level up. The Honda HR-V, the Chevrolet Trax, and other subcompact SUVs have achieved much sales success, and the new Corolla Cross will offer just enough space refinement and value to bank on 100,000 sales. An excellent start on the next 50 million Corollas. The 2022 Corolla Cross takes full advantage of Toyota's still new TNGA-C platform shared with the sedan and hatchback. The ride on it is smooth and compliant to error-free for its price tag. The suspension is not designed to be sporty, but the new 2022 Cross is willing to change direction quickly at low speeds and has a tight turning circle that makes it ideal for traveling the city. The SUV steering is breezy and light, which is suitable for some cities. The FWD models will do with a rear torsion beam suspension setup, and at higher speeds, the Corolla Cross is less confident. The fully independent rear suspension setup on AWD models is more sure of itself, but we can barely notice the difference in ride comfort. Comfort and ease of driving day-to-day are the main keywords in the design brief. The new Corolla Cross uses the current version of Toyota's infotainment interface, which isn't particularly modern, but is relatively straightforward in its operation. Inside, the dashboard is nearly similar to what you'll find in a Corolla sedan or a hatchback. A square infotainment display flanked by shortcut buttons is out of the Corolla Cross's dashboard sprouts. The same setup will be used in several current Toyota models, which offers 7 and 8-inch displays. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM satellite radio will be standard, but wireless smartphone charging, rear seat USB charging ports, and a JBL stereo system are optional extras. Moreover, available on the XLE are two-tone leather seats that do a good impersonation of the leather. However, the vibe inside the 2022 Corolla Cross lacks the upscale look of the Mazda CX-30 and Hyundai Kona. The rear seat space is adequate, and the 27 cubic feet of the cargo area is way up on the CHR's 19. Opting for all-wheel drive, which costs $1,300, necessitates a higher cargo floor that reduces space by a couple of cubes. Under that raised cargo floor, in all-wheel drive version is a multi-link rear suspension that replaces the front driver's torsion beam setup. These two versions enjoy similar handling, with the all-wheel drive model slightly more buttoned down in corners. Car experts measured 0.80 G around our skid pad, and the Corolla Cross stopped from 70 miles an hour in 172 feet. The suspension tuning of the Cross is more about tackling bumps than corners. Furthermore, eroding any driver engagement and fun are over assisted steering and significant body roll. In all models of the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross, you will find Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. This batch of smart driver assistance technologies include the pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, road sign assist, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, and full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control. The 2022 Corolla Cross boasts a palette that has 7 colors. Windshield Pearl is the only extra cost color and carries a charge of about $425. No-cost options include Jet Black, Sonic Silver, Celestite Gray Metallic, Barcelona Red Metallic, Cypress, and Blue Crush Metallic. While the Corolla Cross is a fine choice, many appealing small SUVs are. The Hyundai Kona isn't as spacious as the Toyota, but it has a sharper handling and a more energetic engine. You could also check out the Honda HR-V or the Mazda CX-3. The Toyota Corolla Cross is a decent small SUV, and there are a few things it does well. For example, it has a massive cargo hold for its class and a decent amount of passenger space, and its infotainment system is easy to use. This vehicle has a gentle ride too. However, the Corolla Cross has the lowest performance score in the subcompact SUV class. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. Will you be getting the new 2022 Corolla Cross when it comes out? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed today's video and found it interesting, then make sure to leave us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to keep up to date with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.